Everyone, welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Dean, welcome, Dean. Um, guys, I want to show you guys. I know the markets were down today. The Dow was down about what's that? 130 34 points. S&P was down. Nasdaq was down. However, we do have a buy signal, right? We have a buy signal on the weekly time frame. All right. And that is on the NASDAQ. So that is absolutely good news. All right. Hey, Millie, welcome, Millie. All right. So buy signal on the weekly time frame. All right. So big picture, weekly time frame, buy signal here. That came in yesterday. All right. So that came in yesterday on the NASDAQ. All right. A nice markdown phase. Buyers are coming in. Again, down for the day, but still really good. All right. S&P also has a buy signal here. All right. So S&P also gave a buy signal yesterday. So again, this is on the weekly time frame. All right. So that's really, really encouraging for the equity markets. All right. Right over here on the if you look here, this is the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame on the Nasdaq right here, right? Nicely in the markup phase. So, and we have a buy signal, and then the S&P, which is right here. All right, we have a buy signal, but still holding here. All right, so really, really good price action on the S&P and on the Nasdaq. Um, the Dow is struggling a bit, so we don't have a buy signal. We do have red candles here on the Dow. All right, so red candles here. So keep that in mind. All right, and also on the Russell. As far as the Dow, big picture, weekly time frame, we're still consolidating. Right between right here, this triangle right here. All right, we've been hoping for the Dow to break out. All right, like here. All right, and like here, but it's holding right now. All right, so but we'll take the good news. Nasdaq is breaking out, S&P is breaking out. So we'll go through equities. So you guys should notice. Like I said, the markets were down today, but stocks should be holding. All right. All right, so that's good news. The dollar, right? The dollar, you guys know, the dollar made a move higher. All right, so dollar is moving higher. The yen pairs, we will go over the yen pairs. Hey, Mary, welcome, Mary. We'll go over the yen pairs. Several of the yen pairs closed positions, so you guys should have closed most of those yen positions and take profits. Okay, let's go. I want to take a look at we are in a monster US 30 short trade. All right, so on the Dow, things are still consolidating a bit. All right, but we do have red candles here. All right, so if you guys see here, red candles. All right, so we have a sell short signal right here, and so still holding right here. All right, so I wouldn't go heavy. Okay, I wouldn't go heavy, but good trade here going. Okay, all right, let's go right to the trades. Okay, so we'll start with stop me if you guys have any questions. If you have any symbols you want me to take a look at, just let me know, and we'll take a look at that. All right. All right. So we'll start with the dollar pairs. All right. Dollar pairs. USD SGD. All right. Give a sell signal right here. Another buy signal. All right. We'll hold on to this trade, but if we get a red candle here, we'll get out. So we'll hold it. We'll keep it there. USD CNH still holding. Buy signal is right here, all the way up. Nice markup phase, guys. All right. So if anyone is in it, just continue to hold that trade. USD CNH. All right. Really good trade. USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. That's a new trade here. All right, and that's holding nicely there. USD PLN, same thing. New trade, recently new trade, right? Buy signal is here, it's holding. USD SEK, another great trade, guys. Buy signal all the way down here. All right, nice markup phase. Okay, I wouldn't add to this position. All right, just hold it. It is getting a bit overbought. All right, so if anyone is in it, good job holding it. All right. USD SEK, USD DKK, another good one. All right. Buy signal is here all the way up here. So nice trades in the dollar pairs. All right. Here's another one here. USD CZK, another one of our picks. Buy signal is here nicely in the markup phase. Okay. So really, really good job with USD CZK. And then the last one, USD NOK, buy signal is here. We've got white candles here, so pay attention to it. If you're in it, if you get a red candle, close it. Close that trade if you get a red candle. All right. But no changes yet in the dollar pairs. Just hold on if you're in them. All right. The yen pairs, CAD yen, we should be out of CAD yen. All right, so buy signal is here. Got the sell signal here. Red candles to get out. So we'll remove CAD yen. All right, and that's in Monster Scalper now, guys. All right, Euro yen. All right, same thing. Buy signal was here. We got a sell signal. Red candle broke support. We should be out here. All right, it's moving down. We might have an opportunity to go shorts. Short. We did get some sell short signals. We'll look to see. All right. Let me make a note here. Yen short. All right. It might be too early, but we'll take a look at perhaps shorting the yen pairs. All right. So euro yen, we should be out. Let's close that. All right. So if you guys are in it, just close that trade. Same thing with Swiss yen. All right. And not bad. These are not bad trades. These were about for about 200 pips or so. So not a bad trade. All right. The dollar pairs are much, I mean, they're moving much higher, but not a bad trade here with the yen pair. So Swiss yen, right? Buy signal here, sell signal, red candles. So we should be out of Swiss yen. All right. And dollar yen, same thing. Buy signal is here. All right. Sell signal right here. Red candles, we should be out. And then I think which was the other one? CAD yen. Just removed it accidentally. Why? CAD yen. All right, CAD yen. Did I say CAD yen? Sell signal right here. So we should be out of yen pairs. So no more yen pairs long. All right. We do have a new trade going here long with the pound pairs, guys. All right. So if you're looking for some new opportunities, the pound pairs. So pound SGD buy signal is here, retraced, right? Retraced overnight and is holding right now, moving up nicely here. Pound SGD, pound PLN, right? Another one here. Buy signal is right here. And this is a new move here in the pound pairs. All right. So buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. Pound PLN is too late to get into. All right. Pound SGD, that's still good to get into. Pound ZAR. All right. Pound ZAR buy signal is here. And that's holding. I would say that's too late to get into. All right. Pound Swiss, definitely too late. All right. Buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. All right. So, hey, Solomon, welcome. All right. So, nice move here. Pound Swiss. All right. All right. Pound PLN, I think I mentioned that. And then pound CAD. All right. Pound CAD, buy signal is here. That's still good to get into. All right. So, get out of those yen pairs, take profits. All right. Hold your dollar pairs. All right. And here's a new opportunity here. Pound long. All right. Let's take a look at shorts. All right. Shorts. Did anyone, if you guys, anyone traded the yen pairs and got out with some profits, let me know. All right. Just let me know. All right. All right, short positions in Monster Scalper. Short positions. Okay. Euro HKD. All right, still holding a great short, guys. Short sell, short signal all the way up here. Nice markdown phase, all red candles. Just continue to hold it, but be aware we've got support down in this area here. All right, so you get, it's still red candles, nothing to do. But if you get a green candle, get out or sell signal. But really good trade going here. All right, really good trade going there. EUR HKD, Euro dollar, another great trade going. All right, so sell short signal is all the way up here, very similar to that HKD trade. All right, really nice price action. If you guys are in it, just hold on to that trade. All right. EURSGD. All right. Sell short signal here, moving down slowly, nicely, but nothing to do. And the last short is Aussie Swiss. Sell short signal is here, consolidating in here. Keep an eye on this one, guys. All right. If you get a green candle, just get out quickly. Okay. Just get not bad trading here, but I wouldn't look for a lot. You got pretty good support down here. All right. So if you're in this one, Aussie Swiss, be very careful. It looks like it's almost turning. I know it's hard to see, turning green here. All right. See right here, this candle right here, it's going back and forth from green to white currently. We'll go ahead and close it. Okay. Buyers are coming in, and you got in right here at this sell short signal, still in some profit there. So we'll go ahead and close this trade here. Buyers are trying to come in there. All right. All right. Let's take a look at Forex dominator trades. All right. So these were Monster Scalper. Let's go to Forex dominator. All right. All right. Forex dominator long positions. All right. Long positions. And I'm curious to see what the yen pairs are doing in Forex dominator. All right. Dollar pairs first. USD CNH. Nice trade here going, guys. All right. So we know those dollar pairs are holding in Monster Scalper, and they're also holding in Forex Dominator. So USD CNH buy signal is here. Nice trade going here, guys. All right. So if you're in it, just hold on. Nothing to do there. All right. No support and resistance yet. USD CZK buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. Nice markdown phase. Okay. USD dollar DKK, same thing. Very similar. Buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. All right. Nice markdown phase. And if you guys look here, where is it? Right here, the dollar, here's the dollar index here. So the dollar index is holding, dollar is up currently. Okay, so just hold on to these dollar trades. USD SEK, buy signal is right here. That's moving up nicely right here. Nice price action. Okay. All right, USD SGD, buy signal is here. That's holding. And then dollar ZAR. Look at dollar ZAR, guys. Dollars are buy signal is here, really holding nicely. Okay, so if you guys are in the dollar pairs, we don't have a lot of Forex dominator traders. Dean, yeah, I think Dean. But yeah, good job. All right, if you guys are in it, good job. Aussie yen. All right. Buy signal is here. That's retracing a bit, holding here. Remember, those yen positions closed in Monster Scalper. So really pay attention to the yen pairs in Forex Dominator. CAD yen, all right, buy signal is here. This one is holding, all right. Swiss yen, pulling back, holding, keep an eye on it. I would say if you guys get white candles, right, in Forex Dominator, you might want to just close it, right, like this one here. All right, where is it? Aussie, right? Aussie yen. Okay, we'll go ahead and close this one. All right. Um, because we've got selling coming in Monster Scalper that'll push these trades down. So I would say, white candle, you can get out. Green candle, you can still stay in. All right. Swiss yen, all right, that's good there. Euro yen, all right, that's good. White candle here, that's current. Let's see if it closes. If it closes white, I would get out of it. Okay, unless things change, right? On the smaller time frames. Pound yen, that's still holding purpose support and resistance. You guys should notice several of these are giving purpose support and resistance. Okay, so purpose support and resistance, that's not good. All right, HKD JPY, that's holding. New Zealand yen, close that trade right here. All right, red candles, white candles, red candles here. Okay, so get out of that trade. All right, NZD JPY. SGD JPY, that's holding right here. But guys, really pay attention. If you're in those yen pairs in Forex Dominator, pay attention to those trades. Eurozar, another long that's holding nicely. Buy signal is here, that's holding. And pound SGD, right? Good trade here going, guys. Buy signal was right here. All right, nice trade going here and looking to break resistance. And this is an important resistance right here. Guys, look right here. This is a pretty good resistance. So we could see really good move higher, good markdown phase. All right. So we don't have a lot of consolidation to stop this trade here. So that pound SGD, too late to get in though. Too late to get in. If you're not in it, it's too late. Okay. But we've been in this for a while now from the buy signal. Okay. So those are the long trades. Again, just keep an eye on these yen trades in Forex Dominator. The dollar trades are looking really well. Okay, in Forex Dominator. All right, let's take a look at shorts. We do have some shorts going. All right. So Aussie dollar. All right, sell short signal is here. That's moving down nicely. Aussie CAD, right? Really good short going here. Let me open this up. And I know we can't trade all of these, so just find the best opportunities when we go through these symbols. Okay, so Aussie CAD, a good trade going here. USD MXN, all right, sell short signal is here. Keep an eye on this one. All right, we have red candles here, but if you guys look here, it hasn't been trading well. All right, it hasn't been trading well, so just keep an eye on it. All right, and the dollar pairs are going higher. This is the only one that's only dollar pair that's going counter against the trend. Okay, counter trend. So keep an eye on it if you're in it. Euro HKD, right? That's looking good, right? Sell short signal is here, right? Good price action. Euro dollar, same thing, very similar. All right. Euro pound, all right? So sell short signal is here. This one broke down today, all right, to the downside here, all right. Euro Swiss, all right, so Euro Swiss, so Euro short, so dollar long, Euro short, and yen, we'll wait and see the next direction on those. Euro CAD, sell short, and then New Zealand dollar, right, good short going here with New Zealand dollar in Forex Dominator, and then New Zealand CAD. Okay, so lots of good opportunities, guys. Lots of good opportunities, both in Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. Okay, so you guys should be doing well. All right, if not, you're doing something wrong. All right, you're doing something wrong, and you guys need to get with me. Okay, let's take a look at equities. All right, let's take a look at how stocks are doing. All right, again, we do have a buy signal on the weekly time frame. All right, on the S&P and the NASDAQ. So let's take a look at current trades, all right, in Stock Boss. All right. So AKBA. All right. Buy signal is here. Retrace white candles. All right. Hold on to it. We need buyers to come back in. No red candles. Nothing to do there. As a matter of fact, it was up today. CVAC. All right. That's holding. We'll go through this pretty quickly here. TBLA. All right. Buy signal is here. That's holding. White candles. Keep an eye on it. All right. EVLV buy signal is here. That's really looking good, looking to break resistance there. XFOR, right? Same thing, very similar. Buy signal is here. That's holding nicely. Open, OPEN, buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. MVLA. That's a good one here, guys. Buy signal is right here. If you're looking for a trade, that's still good. Looks good to get in. All right. Buyers are building here. All right. MVIS, buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. Look at this. Really good price action here. All right. Don't chase it. Too late to get in. All right. Buy signal here. OMER and holding. SANA, white candles here. Keep an eye on this one. All right. You get a red candle, close the trade. AVDX, buy signal is here. This one is breaking resistance. So if you're in it, just continue to hold. All right. BTBT, buy signal is here. Nice movement here. Really, really good price action, guys. Look at this. All right. GLYC, buy signal here, holding. SLGC, that's holding support, white candles, nothing to do. Just keep an eye on it. Edit EDIT, same thing here. All right. And whenever you got white candles, just pay close attention to them. All right. We need buyers to come back in. TWKS, that's holding right here. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions on these. All right. OPRT, holding. All right. As long as they're holding, guys. ALEX, that's holding. ANGI, holding all green candles there. PMVP, all right. That's holding white candles. Keep an eye on it. ADEA, all right. Green candles nicely in the markup phase. Nothing to do there. Okay. ROIV, all right. All green candles, nothing to do. All right. RIOT, Riot, that's holding. Riot is still holding. Amazing. All right. EGHT, that's holding. MOMO. All right, guys. This one gave a red candle today here. All right. So close this trade here. MOMO, buy signal was here, right? Broke resistance, broke support right here. Sell signal, buy signal was at about, what's that? 858. Sell signal, red candle came in around 805. So just if you're in it, remove it, close it, get out of it. All right. This one is good here. ADMA, that's good. ALTO, that's good. ZIMV, that's good. All right. Nothing to do there. GCT, that's good. All right. LIFE, white candles, keep an eye on it. SPRO, white candles, keep an eye on it. YMAB, white candle, keep an eye on it. Hopefully, guys, this is a good one. If we can get a green candle, right, we could see this move much higher. All right. Now, keep in mind, markets were down today, but we could get, this debt ceiling thing could really, I think there's 5 days or so away from that. Okay, so just keep that in mind. We don't pay attention to the news, but a big event like this could really move the markets. Okay, and hopefully to the upside. All right, VMEO. All right, white candle there. ASRT, white candles. Just keep an eye on them. TLS. All right, that's holding all green candles. IOVA. All right, all green candles in the buys, in the markup phase. SPPI, All right, white candles holding. CLSK, all right, holding. Oh, look at this one. ORGO. If anyone took this trade, just hold on to it. Good markdown phase, and this was a really good risk reward. All right, trade here going. All right, ORGO. ADV, all right, holding. All right, PGY holding. LILM holding. Um, HLLY. All right, this is a good one here. Um, good markdown phase, right? Buy signal was here, right? Was moving up nicely. Today it came down, big white candle. Keep an eye on it, all right? Hopefully the market is up tomorrow. We could get buyers to come back in, all right? So, but it's got pretty good support. It's got really good support down here around $2, trading at close at 296 today. Okay, so HLLY. All right, still looks good. RGTI. Okay, and that's it. All right. So, you guys, that's a lot of opportunities, lots of picks we've got in Stock Boss. Okay, so the equity markets, it's not totally healthy. There's some things, we need the Dow, we need the other Russell and the Dow to really get going here. But not bad, not bad. All right, let's take a look at Bullmaster. All right, so Bullmaster, we have we have fewer stocks in Bullmaster, but still good. Some of these are more expensive, so you might not trade the underlying, but certainly those of you who trade options, you can trade some call options. All right. So, but these are picks we've had already going. All right. LZ, that looks good to continue to hold. PTGX, good to continue to hold. HCP, all right, good to continue to hold. Buy signal is here, right? Moving up nicely in the markup phase. No support and resistance lines right there. AKRO, keep an eye on that, guys. All right, so AKRO, white candles. It is consolidating. Here is support right here. So it's consolidating, holding support. So hopefully we get buyers to come back in, green candle there. So if you're in it, don't panic, just continue to hold. PCVX, all right, that's holding nicely. Right, RCKT, that's holding all green candles. IAC, keep an eye on this one, guys. All right, it gapped up here. We're filling that gap. We've filled that gap. So hopefully we can get buyers to come back in there. Okay, that's IAC. If you're in it, just hold. All right, be patient. Red candle, get out though. All right, WDAY, that's holding. And even if you guys don't trade equities, this is a good way to learn. All right, so you can use this same process with your other systems, Monster, Scalper, any of the other systems. All the systems follow the same price action. All right, IMVT, that's holding nicely. All right, and the different time frames. BSY, holding nicely. Buy signal is here. Really good price action here. FSLR, all right. White candles, keep an eye on that one. DDOG, right? That's moving nicely here. All right. DGNG, right? That's holding nicely. Nothing to do. TSVT, all green candles holding. All right. What's that? KDNY, that's holding. All right. SWAV. Look for this one. If anyone is in this one here, buy signal was here at 218. It's trading now at 275. I wouldn't be shocked if you got to buy a red candle here or sell signal. All right, because it's struggling. If you guys look here, you've got pretty good resistance right here. All right, so you've got really good resistance right here. Here's your top right here. You got a purple support and resistance. Price is right here, so you could get, all right. I mean, yes, can buyers come in and push that price higher? Yes, but you got purple support and resistance, white candles. I wouldn't say get out, but you get a red candle like here, get out, sell signal, get out. So if anyone is in it, SWAV, pay really good attention to this one here. Okay. All right, nothing here. What's this here? All right, let's go back here. I have no idea what. So AMTR, just get out of that. I don't know why that's there. All right. ZIMV, all right. Buy signals, still holding it. Adobe, all right. Adobe, ADBE, buy signal is here, and that's holding nicely. Good markdown phase, a bit of consolidation in here, but we're getting past that consolidation. It's expensive, right? It's expensive. It fell from what, about $700 to 417 is where it closed today. Buy signal came in at 383. Too late to get in, but this was a good one for calls. All right, RILY holding, and I'm almost done here with these. FNKO holding, right? Good price action there. All right, ACAD, that's holding nicely in the markup phase. SKYW, a good trade here going. Buy signal, really good trade going here. IEYE, another good one here. I looks good to move higher, guys. All we need is the market to, right? We just need a bit more buyers to come in and perhaps look to fill that gap up here. All right. HAS, all right, holding. So the majority of these are holding. All right. Even with white candles, they're holding. They're not totally collapsing, guys. UPBD holding. That's good to see. MKS holding. SWTX, right? White candles holding, right? We need buyers to come back in. XP, buy signal is here. That's holding. CRSP, right? That's holding. Buy signal is here. Hell, did a good job holding support there. ZS holding. Light holding. XMRT holding. UPST, that's holding here. All right. And OKTA, that's holding here. So I would say good 95%, 95% of the stocks are holding. All right. So that's good. All we need is the market, the indexes to cooperate a bit. All right. And we could see these stocks move higher. Okay. Let's take a look at new opportunities. So let's take a look at new opportunities in Stock Boss and Bullmaster this evening. All right. And then we'll take a look at Forex, Dominator, and Monster Scalper. Okay, so new opportunities, and we're looking for buy signals on that came in today. Okay, so buy signals that came in today. Just ran it here. We've got 42 stocks. Okay, so we technology stocks, right? Technology, that's your best bet, right? But we'll look at anything with really good setups. Okay, with really good setups. All right, so first one, GEVO, nothing there. Okay, so we're looking for buy signals, new buy signals. All right, in Stock Boss. All right, we've got a new buy signal here. Let's see here. All right, look at this. All right, let's make sure we're not in it. That symbol is SOFI, and we're not in it. Okay, so good markdown phase, choppy in here. All right, a bit choppy in here. All right, But guess what? We got a buy signal. Right? Big candle came in today with a buy signal at 653. Okay, it fell from what, 24, all right, $24, so good risk reward. All right, buy signal came in right here, so it's clearing that resistance here. Here is another area it will need to clear. All right, but not bad. All right, the previous two buy signals failed. All right, so I wouldn't go crazy, don't go heavy on it, but not a bad trade here. Really good markdown phase here, guys. All right, and you got good support, your protection. All right, you got pretty good support at was that 477. All right, so definitely a good setup here. All right, so SOFI, and that's in Stock Boss. All right, let's keep going. All right, when you guys, those of you trading Stock Boss, Bullmaster, when you go through these at least once a day, open up your chart. All right, so you guys can really see the price action. That's gone. We're in that one. That's gone. All right, here's another one here with a buy signal. All right, guys, stocks. I tell you, if we can see these the market open up, stocks will do really, really well. I'm sorry, DHC. We're not in this one. DHC, right? Nice markdown phase. Buy signal right here came in today. All right, you guys can see that here. Broke resistance, buy signal right here at $1.33. All right, $1.33. So we'll add this one. DHC, that's in Stock Boss. All right. Even if you guys are not trading these, right? You can't trade all of them. Track them, watch them. All right. LYEL, LYEL. We're not in this one. All right. The buy signal came in several days ago, but it's breaking out now. All right. Nice markdown phase. Buy signal is right here, and that's breaking out. Nice candle here. You see that here. Nice big candle breaking out here. So we'll add that. LYEL, and that's in Stock Boss. All right. Our Stock Boss traders will send out these picks also later this evening. All right. Let's keep going. Looking for new buy signals. I believe we're in this one. Yes. All right. There's another one here. All right. ARQQ. All right. This one fell from not bad risk reward, $10, trading at $1.43. Good support down here at 99 cents. Buy signal is at 141. Again, good markdown phase. We'll add this one here. ARQQ. Okay. Now again, technology, that's the number one sector right now. You know, the Nasdaq is moving higher, but as long as you've got good setup, good clean buy signals, right, shouldn't matter too much. All right. All right, that's all we've got in Stock Boss here. Okay, so four this evening, not bad. All right, Bull Master. All right. Let's run a new scan here. 61 in Bull Master. All right. And look at this. A lot of technology, guys. Look at this. So from down here all the way up, these are all technology stocks. All right, in Bull Master. That is really, really good news. Okay, most of these, look at this, most of these, all right, most of the, how many was it? 61, I said. Yeah, most of the 61 is in technology. So out of the 61, we only have what, 2, 4, 6, 8, about 10. All right, that's other sectors. The rest is technology. All right, so let's go through these. And you know, those large cap stocks, a lot of those make up, a lot of those are in technology. All right, that's gone. Right. You guys, I know some of you like Tesla, so keep an eye on Tesla here. It doesn't have a buy signal yet, but buyers are coming in. Don't trade it yet. Still needs a buy signal. Choppy up in this area here, but wouldn't be bad to get some calls once it gets a buy signal. Okay. So no buy signal yet. That's gone. New buy signals, guys, we're looking for. Fresh new buy signals. If they've gone, just let them go. Don't chase them. This is not bad. We just need buyers to hold. Buyers are not holding right now. This is not a bad one here, but buyers are not holding. All right. So that's too late. Not a very good chart, guys. All right. Good buy signal, good clean buy signal, but horrible chart here. A lot of consolidation. So, all right. We'll add this one here. I know it's high in the markup phase, okay, but it's breaking resistance here, and buyers are really coming in. All right, so hopefully this is a continuation. All right, a continuation. Pretty good resistance here, but that price action here is breaking out. But most importantly, if you guys look at the monthly time frame right here, all right, this is looking to make new highs, all-time highs. All right, so at it closed today at $20. Right, here's the high, the all-time high right here. So this could go much higher. Broke new resistance right here. So this one could go much higher. Okay, we don't do this a lot, but we like it down in the markdown phase. But this is not bad here. So EXTR. All right, EXTR. All right, and it hasn't totally left yet. All right, GLBE. All right, GLBE fell from $80 to 35 currently. All right, you got some consolidation in here, but it's getting past that consolidation. A decent markdown phase. Buy signal is right here, and it's looking to break out a big candle today. So buyers are definitely in this. $32 is where the buy signal came in. It's at 35. So we'll add this one here. GLBE. And that is in Bullmaster. And also EXTR, that's also in Bullmaster. All right, just a few more. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. All right, we're in this one. It's gone. Stop them holding, guys. All of these are moving up. Look at these. All of these are moving up. All right. All right. Good. Those of you who trade options, guys, this is not a bad one here for some call options. Okay. Fell from what's that? A high of 450 or so. All right. A decent markdown phase. All right. A pretty good support down here. At 122. Buy signal came in at 170, close today at 180, right here. TEAM. TEAM. All right, in Bullmaster. All right, good big candle. Look here, nice big candle. All right, broke resistance. Here's your resistance right here. Bring it over right here. Buy signal right here. Big candle. All right, so we know buyers are coming in. Buyers are coming in. Nice markdown phase. Okay, I know it's expensive, but you can do options on this. All right, and Adobe also. All right, right here. ACMR, nothing here. All right. All right. GTLB. All right. And it's relatively inexpensive, so you could trade the underlying. All right. Fell from 135. You got good support here at 31. All right. You have some consolidation in here. All right. But it should be fine. Buy signal came in at 35, trading here now at 36. Okay. So not a bad trade here and pretty good upside. All right. Pretty good upside. GT LB, and that's Bullmaster. All right, almost done here. That's gone. Wait day, W day, we're in that already. XM we're in that one, and ZS, we're in that one already. Okay, so 4, not bad. 4 in Bullmaster this evening. All right. Okay. Any questions on these? Let me know if you guys have any questions on these. Okay. Monster Scalper. Let's look for opportunities in Monster Scalper, Forex Dominator, and then we'll be done. Okay. We'll go through this quickly. No longs here. All right. Let's see. I don't think we have any new longs. Long opportunities in the dollar pairs. Let's just make sure. That's the trade right now, guys. Long the dollar. long the pound. The euro pairs are mixed, guys. So if you're gonna trade those, we right now we are shorting the euro pairs. Not all of them, right? We have to be selective. The euro pairs, some are going up, some are going down. All right, so they're mixed. Just be careful. Nothing here. Um, the pound pairs, pound ZAR, most of these we're in. Let's see if we can find pound dollar. Keep an eye on pound dollar. That should give a buy signal soon. All right. Those of you trading monster scalper, all right, keep an eye on this one here. Pound dollar. Okay. Pound SGD. I think we're in this one. Yes, we're in this one already. We're in this one. Most of these we're in already. Keep an eye on pound HKD. That's getting ready to give a buy signal. So if you give a buy signal, jump on it. Okay. Pound Swiss we're in. So the pound pairs are moving. Pound CAD we're in, and then pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. Did we get in pound Aussie? I think we missed pound Aussie. Pound Aussie was the first one. Generally, guys, the first one to take off, we won't get in. All right. So if you guys notice, we'll usually miss the first one or two pairs that take off. All right. We just want confirmation. Okay. So Aussie, pound Aussie, we did not get in. All right. That was one of the first ones that really took off. All right. So no longs. Let's take a look at if we have shorts. The only area I think I know I think we're in Aussie CAD already. Aussie Swiss short. Aussie Swiss is right here. Okay. But the yen pairs, I really want to take a look at the yen pair short. Okay. An eye on dollar yen, but you know dollar yen will do its own thing. Okay. So but you could get a short signal. We got red candles coming in here, so we could get a sell short signal soon. All right. SGD JPY. All right. Also, red candles coming in. No sell short signal yet. All right. HKD. I'm sorry. New Zealand yen sell short signal is here. That's gone. Okay. Let's see. Pound yen. Nothing there. All right. So euro yen. So we'll add euro yen short. EUR, JPY. Now be careful. This is an early short, right? And that's in Monster Scalper. So euro yen short. All right. Here's your sell short signal. All right. Also Swiss yen short. All right. Swiss yen short. Just keep in mind, I wouldn't go heavy because if the markets, the yen pairs tend to follow the equity market. So if the markets, if equities really make a move higher, right, you could see these sell short signals close. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, this is a counter trend trade here. All right, counter trend trade, meaning here is the trend, right? Here is the trend. We're in a markup phase here. All right, so buyers could come back in on this short, right, and continue that move higher, right, hurting the short here. So if you're gonna trade it, I mean, it can certainly move lower, get to support here, but this is a counter trend trade. So if you're going to trade it, be careful. CHF JPY short in Monster Scalper. All right. CAD yen, no sell short signal yet. Aussie yen, we do have a sell short signal in Aussie yen. a bit choppy. All right, we'll hold off on this one here. Very, a lot of consolidation. So we'll hold off on that one. Let's see here. We long the dollar, so nothing there. Let's see if we can find. Most of the shorts have been going for a while. Nope. All right, so nothing in the euro pairs. This is not a bad one here, but it's gone down quite a bit. All right, we want them higher. Okay. All right, so no shorts there. Forex dominator longs. I know we went through these. We don't have any new buy signals long. Let's see here. Dollar Swiss. Oh, here's a new one here. So dollar Swiss long. All right, this is a good one here. In Forex dominator. So USD CHF, and you guys know how the dollar pairs are trading, right? So USD CHF long in Forex dominator. All right, buy signal came in today, guys, right here. Buy signal came in today. All right, let's see here. Yeah, most of these we're in dollar CZK. We're in this one already. DKK, we're in this one. Keep an eye on USD HUF, right? We could get a buy signal soon on this one. All right, I think that's it. The ZAR, pound ZAR. All right. Pound Swiss give a buy signal today. A lot of consolidation, but if you guys look here, you got a lot of consolidation in here, but you might get a breakout. We'll add it, right? Not a great trade, but sometimes these are the ones that work out. All right, so you got support here, you got a downward trend line, and it's breaking out here. All right, get a buy signal, and the pound pairs are moving in our monster scalper. So we'll add it, pound. So GBP, Swiss CHF, and then the dollar Swiss is moving. Give a buy signal also. So something could be going on with the Swiss pairs too. So dollar Swiss. Let's remove this. So dollar Swiss, where is it? Dollar Swiss, right here, new buy signal, and then pound Swiss, new buy signal here. Okay, so we'll add that. Nothing here. Shorts. New Zealand dollar, we're in short. New Zealand CAD, we're in short. Right, both of those are doing well. All right, so New Zealand Swiss doesn't have a sell short signal. It is low, right? Really down in the markdown phase. Okay, so that's a concern. But the other two pairs are doing well, so we might take that trade, right? If we'll send it out if we get a sell short signal. Okay, they could go much lower. Let's take a look at the weekly. So on the weekly, you've got support down in this area. Let's take a look at the monthly. So you got pretty good support down in that area there, guys. So, but that doesn't mean, right, it can't break through on the longer time frame, right, on the big macro, and really, go down further. And the Swiss is good for that. It's known to really collapse sometimes. Okay. Let's see here. I think that's it. let's just, yeah, I think that's it. All right. Bitcoin, nothing with cryptos right now. Just consolidating, right? No buy signal, no sell short signal, just consolidating. And the futures pairs that we've got, let's see here. Um, we still holding. All right. We're still holding that live cattle trade, guys. I don't think anyone took that trade. All right. But really good trade still going with live cattle. Okay. Live cattle right here. And then the other trade is the S&P. All right. Now it's holding right here. It's holding. So um, the S&P is moving higher. So it's holding right here. Green candle. So um, let's see here. Let's go back here. All right, let's look for some longs. All right, no longs. Here is a technology, right? S&P 500 technology sector long here, but not much. Hold on, shorts. Okay. Here is a short here. So our futures traders, all right, that gold, if you guys look here, and we'll be done. I promise we'll be done after this. Gold, guys, has been failing to break resistance. If you look here, all right. So here is GLD gold, right? Failing to break, failed here. All right. This is on the weekly time frame, failed here and is failing here. All right. So we could see gold retrace back, right? It's failing to, hold above, stay above resistance here. So this trade here in the futures market, all right, we are seeing gold right here, shorting gold, not a lot, right? But right here, right here, all right? So here's a short trade going on gold, all right? So here, all right? It's not a big trade, but you could get a decent sized trade out of that, okay? So as an example, QOM23 right here, that's the gold right there. So that's a decent trade right now. Soybeans have been moving down for a while. That's been a pretty good short, all right? And wheat, all right, wheat also. But a new one that's setting up is that gold trade. Okay, that gold trade. Now you might not get, all the way down to this area here if we're lucky to support right here. All right, but a tricky trade. So all right, that's it. All right. So dollar long, continue to hold the dollar pairs long. We should be out of yen pairs short. All right. So we should be out of those yen pairs short. Okay. And just be patient with equities. If you guys are, unless you're trading options and they're going to expire, just manage those properly. However, equity is really our bull master traders, our heat seeker trader, our stock boss traders, at least once a day, go through your symbols. All right. If we get, if you, like I said, we've got buy signals, and this is important for our equity traders. We have buy signals right here. We haven't had a buy signal on the weekly time frame on the Nasdaq. The last one was here, and this was back in June of 2000 was the last time we had a buy signal on the Nasdaq. on the weekly time frame, guys. Okay, and this was the run up the last time. So I'm not saying that this will happen, but we have a buy signal here, right? And on the S&P, the last time we had a buy signal on the S&P on the weekly time frame was what's that? August of 2000. Okay, and here is one here. This one came in this week, yesterday. Okay, so it is a big deal. It's a big deal. Okay, so really pay attention to your heat seeker, to stocks. Don't trade heavy, but kind of do what we did today. Go through. That's why we do this. Go through your heat seeker. Look for those fresh buy signals. All right. And if you're gonna trade those, rather than put in a lot of capital in one, just spread it out. Right. Spread it out several stocks. Right. But look for the ones that are inexpensive. Right. For the cheap ones. All right, guys. Take care. I will see you guys tomorrow. Now, remember, we are bringing back our beginners class. I'm very excited about this. Okay.
Thanks, David.
Yeah. Hello.
No, oh no, I was saying thanks. Hey, I'll be at that beginners class every now and then.
Okay. Okay. Well, Dean, it was because of you mentioned it, right? I always try to get feedback from our traders, and Dean and I, we were talking, and he mentioned the beginners class. And I've been thinking about it, and I was trying to figure out a time, a day to bring what we're doing on the evening classes. We right now we're going to keep that, right, getting you guys picks, right. I think there's a tremendous value there. But that beginners class and that Q&A class, those classes were very popular. Okay. Especially for brand new traders. So we're going to bring that back. It's on a Saturday now. All right. It's on a Saturday. So we had to fit that in. Okay. We can't do it on Fridays. Normally, we do coaching, one-on-one coaching on Fridays, but Saturdays, 11 a.m. to 12 noon. I'll try not to keep you guys long. All right. Saturdays, I know for me, that's usually a dead time, especially that late morning. Okay. So hopefully you guys can come. Dean, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And you don't have to be a beginner. All right.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, you don't have to be. Go ahead, Dean.
It's always great. Always learning. I mean, I love it, and I'm just amazed that you're doing this, David. I mean, just what you're doing every day and the classes every day. You don't have to be doing. You could be selling your products and just being, having cocktails on the beach. But here you are every night, and now you're going to take more time on Saturday, and I respect you, and I mean, that's just amazing. I mean, yeah.
Well, thanks, Dean. But I took some time off last week with the family, and you guys know, you kept getting information. I love doing this, right? So I'm on vacation every evening when I do this. Okay, so Saturdays, I'm just glad we have to squeeze that in, and I think you guys will get. It's our all beginners Q&A class. Okay,
Awesome.
and
Awesome.
it will be on Zoom.
Okay.
Right, we'll do it on Zoom, just like we did before. Okay, just like we did before. But this going through these picks, by doing this, when we do this, we shouldn't miss rotations, right? We shouldn't miss opportunities when we do this every single evening. I know it's tedious. We're going through all of these, symbols. All right. But it's worth it. You guys, if you come on or you watch the videos, you will notice your trading will become better. If you miss it, that's okay. We'll still send out those picks. So we'll send out those picks every evening. Okay. But I want to, Dean, thank you for mentioning that beginners class, because we'll bring it back, and it provides just a lot of, because you don't know, one tip, one good, you know information can make a big difference. Okay. All right. So I'll look forward to seeing you guys. Those of you who can make it, it will be, not formal, right? It will be just a casual conversation, but we'll go over whatever you guys want to discuss. Like I said, Q&A, and then we'll go through some basic concepts. Okay. All right. But we want to take these trades. We want to take these trades, the ones that we went through today. The pound pairs, keep an eye on the pound pairs in Monster Scalper. Okay. They're moving now. So we want to take those profits from the yen pairs, keep those dollar pairs going, stay in those, and now add some positions in the pound pairs. Okay. For our Monster Scalper traders. All right. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow is Thursday, right? Yeah, tomorrow is Thursday. And have a good evening. Thanks for coming, guys. Take care.
Everyone.
All right. Bye-bye, guys.
Thank you, guys.